Hey guys, have you guys ever bought a bunch of limes from the grocery store and then a month after you open up your fridge and you're like, oh boy, what are those? Right? They're like black and brown and moldy and disgusting.
Yeah, that happens to me quite a bit. You buy so many limes and then you don't really use them to completely, so they just sit there in your refrigerator.
And sometimes at the back of the fridge and you forgot about them. So there's actually a trick that we would like to show you all of you today. So hopefully you can maximize the lifetime of your lime juice and you can store them for a longer period of time.
Exactly. Maximize the dollars that you spend on these limes and get the most out of every single drop.
Yeah. Yeah, so please also follow us on Instagram and Facebook as well. No?
No.
You don't want people to follow us?
Yeah, I do. But I should have said that. Okay.
Alright, let's get started. Look at all these beautiful limes. And they were on sale at the grocery store, so we got a bunch of them.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
So what do you do with all these limes if they start going bad, Perry?
Well, you want to cut them before they go bad. So we just got them from the grocery store, and right before you put them in the refrigerator, you want to cut them up and juice them. There you go. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Alright, after you get all the lime juice, you can start pouring them into an ice tray.
Oh, cool. What a cool method.
Put them in the freezer and freeze them overnight. Here you go. The next day, you got a bunch of lime ice cube. You know, it's actually easy, fast, and quick. Saves a lot of money. You can make limeade with that, and sometimes when you make tom yum soup, it's easy. I just pop in a few ice cubes in there. There you go. It's all set.
Awesome.
Hey guys, we hope you found the video helpful and useful. And if you have any other questions or problem in your kitchen, please leave us a comment below.
Yep. If you give us a thumbs up, we'll give you a hug. And please click like and subscribe.
Yes, I'll see you guys next time.
Bye. I'm calling out tomorrow. Just kidding, I can't because I have so much to do.
The training tomorrow. Dude, I don't know what's wrong today.
I know.
We cannot record today, okay? I don't know what happened. It's probably because it's really late right now.
Yeah.
But continue to follow us. We're gonna have some weekly updates. What if we don't?
We will. We will, guys. We will.
Mayama.
So,
wait. How come you still have the tag on your shirt?
I just bought it today, yeah.
You wanted to
No, it's fine. Can you see it?
I don't know.
The whole time?
I can see it.
It's okay. Because I just went to go buy some shirt.
Really?
For the video.
And you can return it.
No.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. It's small fall with it.
Okay.